Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So real quick, I am going out. As you guys can see, I am all dressed up today. I am going on Father's Day hangout with Mr. T. That's why I'm looking all casual, because really we just want to go out and do something not too serious. You know, we just want to hang out. We don't know what we want to do, but your girl is all dressed up, and I told Mr. T to just give me a few minutes. I want to come here real quick and do a quick review of an item that was sent to me by Kowi Bags. I will drop all the details that you guys need in the description down below, so endeavor to check the description box, okay? So real quick guys, let's jump straight into the review. So guys, today your girl is doing a review of Saint Laurent. Yes, so this is a YSL bag. Yes, if it is a Nigerian in me, I'll be saying Saint Laurent. So Saint Laurent, and this is how it came. Just so you guys know, I have already gone ahead to check the products out, just to make sure everything was fine, it was okay, it was intact. So let's take this out real quick. It came in this dust bag that actually says Saint Laurent on it. Very good material. Do you guys see this? The dust bag even has a double layer covering in here, which I think is so cool, you know. So before I bring this goodness out for you guys to see, let me real quick see what this came with. So it came with the Saint Laurent bag, which says Saint Laurent Paris. Then it came with other stuff, you know, the cleaning instructions, the manual for cleaning the bag and all that stuff. So let's put that to the side, and now let's go ahead to unbox this. Let's see what this bag looks like. I actually picked this color out because I feel like I have black bags, I have nude bag, I have like different colors of bags, and I was like, yeah, I think I need to go for something pink, and I have an occasion that is coming pretty soon, I think next weekend, and I'm gonna be needing the color pink. So I was like, oh, perfect timing. Yes, so real quick, this is it guys. I have taken it out of the dust bag. Yes, this is it. It's the YSL Saint Laurent Cinq bag. It came out in 2021, but ever since then this bag has been so popular, and I am someone that loves vintage, because this is a vintage bag from you guys. As you guys can tell, I'm sure you can tell already that this is a vintage bag. The bag itself has very good quality. Do you guys see that? That leather is so beautiful, it is amazing. We're gonna go ahead and take this out, which was put in here to give that bag that beautiful puffiness. And the inside is actually suede, is made up of suede. So you guys can see that. And then it has just one opening here, one enclosure here, which is a zip. Yep, you guys can see that, the zip of the bag. And then in there as well, you guys see that it has YSL Saint Laurent. It has Saint Laurent written inside of the bag. So that's that. And then let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Let's unbox this real quick. But let's take this thing off and see the complete full version of the bag and see what the bag looks like, okay? I'm so excited about this bag guys, I don't know why. I'm just super excited. And then here we go. I'm gonna take this off as well. And then this actually here comes with a bag, but let's be done with this real quick, okay? So here it has the adjustable strap, and on the buckle itself, which is the gold hardware for the strap, it has Saint Laurent Paris written on it. I love the gold color. It looks like a nice gold color. Doesn't look like this type of gold that would fade. You guys know that thing now. So I want to go ahead and adjust this. So it is very adjustable. If you want yours to be long, short, however you want it, you could go ahead and adjust it. So let's see. Maybe I should make mine smaller. Let's see. I like this. Oh my god, this is so pretty guys. Oh, it even goes with my wristwatch. I love that guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the protective leather real quick. Okay, so I have gone ahead and adjusted it to the length that I do want it to be at. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this bag. For you guys to see, and this is what it looks like. So guys, without the bag having anything inside of it, this is what the bag looks like, and it's so pretty. I do love it. I seriously do love it. I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead real quick and try to fit some things into the bag. I like the bag that it's the fact that it's actually a mini bag. It's a minimalist bag, you know, no need to carry so much stuff. It helps you not to just pick and pick. And I feel that this bag can be used mostly for like casual dates, maybe a dinner where you really don't need much. So I'm going in with my signature wallets, my one and only wallets for you guys to see. And definitely my wallet does fit in. I do have my phone here. My phone will definitely be fitting in there. And then the car keys. Now this is me having my car keys in case I am the one going out by myself. And then I go ahead to lock. Now I want to advise, if you know you want to put items that are really delicate and you don't want it to get missing, you go ahead and put it in the pocket compartment in there and zip it up, maybe like your cards if you don't want to carry so much. And then this is what it looks like, guys. So guys, this is it. It is so pretty. Did I see that? I really love this. Let me go back a little bit. Yes guys, I am looking all casual and ready to go out on my dates with Mr. T for Father's Day. And yes guys, this is the vintage YSL Saint Laurent bag. I can actually hold it like this as well. It is a versatile bag, you know. You could hold it this way if you want, which is probably how I'm going to be holding it next week. And you could go ahead and hang it this way. I kind of feel like it looks really vintagey, more classic when you hang it. And if you want to hold it, yeah, come on, what's that? It's no big deal in it. So I'm going to try for you guys to see my full look and what I'm looking like. Nothing serious, but I do love the color choice that I did pick. It really matches all what I'm putting on today. And if you guys are interested in this bag, definitely the link is gonna be in the description for you guys. I will drop my code, and if you use my discount code, you're gonna get 13% off. So please endeavor to use my code to purchase this beautiful vintage bag. Alright guys, now that you guys have seen my bag, I'd suggest you go ahead and purchase this beautiful vintage bag. If you're someone that loves vintage, you love everything classic, you don't want to always look cliche, you know, you love vintage, please go ahead and purchase this bag. It's a versatile bag, but I suggest, for me, I'm gonna use this bag for like casual dates, dinner, and just a regular outing. You can't use this bag to walk. You just want to damage the bag, in my opinion. I love the leather. The leather is so beautiful. Okay guys, your girl is done with this review, and I'm super excited about my bag. Can't wait to rock it. I want to suggest, if you have designer bags and you don't want to break the bank to get a designer bag, go ahead and click on that link in the description below. Check out Chloe Bags. Also, use my code in the description so you can get an extra 13% of whatever you have to do to save money. Do it and purchase this bag for yourself. They have different colors, different other type of bags, different varieties that you can choose from. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video up until this extent. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.